Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing U.S. marriage visas primarily. The K-3, I haven't seen one of these in quite a long time being processed, at least through our offices here in Thailand. I know that occasionally they do process K-3s. As we've discussed in other videos, those were administratively closed over a decade ago, in the sense that they viewed it as no longer being necessary. I would make the argument, especially now, K-3 supplemental petitions might be a good idea, especially considering the fact that the backlog in the immigrant section of both DHS and then once you get over to National Visa Center, don't even get me started there, the backlog is pretty horrendous, quite honestly. That said, again, K-3s aren't a particularly fashionable visa category within the apparatus right now. And I use that word deliberately because honestly, I'm hard pressed to find any rhyme or reason to anything they're doing inside the immigration apparatus at the moment. Point of this video though is, especially for the CR-1 and IR-1 visa seekers, look, you're gonna need to get your expectations in line, if you will, with the reality of the situation. The reality of the situation is cases are processing slow compared to times past. I'm kind of resentful of the internet at this point for two reasons. One, a lot of people will get on the internet and they'll see posts on forums and things out there from years ago when the system was different. Then they'll say, well, why isn't it working like this? Well, that's not how it's working right now. Look at the date. Look at when that was posted. That's not the same system we're dealing with now. Meanwhile, the other thing that I kind of resent these days is USCIS putting up these processing time estimates, whatever you want to call them, just what they say a case should process in, because it doesn't make any sense to me. I don't know where they're getting these numbers. There's seemingly no rhyme or reason to when cases are getting done. Some are moving really, really slow, and then every once in a while one will pop out like a popcorn kernel gets hit, the wrong way on a popcorn popper, and one just go pew. It's like you'll get one case that'll just go super fast. Point I'm trying to make, I'm not really here to whine about the state of the immigration apparatus, but yeah, probably a good idea to get your expectations more in line with the current situation, because processing especially on immigrant spouse visas is not particularly fast.